Health benefits of going to the beach. By Aljunismo, travel enthusiast. The sea, once it casts its spell, holds one in its net of wonder forever. At number 1, the beach puts us into a meditative state. While at number 2, blue is a positive color. Number 3, the sound of the waves relaxes you literally. Number 4, the breeze of the ocean is soothing to smell. Number 5, the beach helps us get a better sleep. And at number 6, the sand is great for your skin. Number 7, vitamin C is vitamin D. Number 8, the beach is a great venue for an exercise. And finally, at number 9, a positive perspective awaits. When was the last time you were in a beach? Do you have plans?